Hello students, I am Rajeshwar, your geography teacher. Earlier we have discussed about the maps, their type and the major element of a map like the title, north line, scale, grid system and legends. Now we will discuss the importance. Maps are very important for us. There are various reasons. First of all, maps are used for a variety of purpose. There is a purpose for using the map, like student and teachers gain knowledge and accurate information about the places from the map. Navigator use them to find the direction of their destination, and government use the map for lay down the infrastructure or facility for us, like the roads, railway lines, towns and other civil amenities. Maps are easy to carry. We can fold it and we can carry it with us. Especially travelers use the map. Map show the selected features and making it easier for the people to understand and interpret the information what they want. Maps make use of different signs, symbols, and color to provide information in clear and concise manner without any misunderstandings. These are there. Besides, maps have their own advantage and disadvantage. Disadvantage is there that the curved surface of the earth, as our earth is curved, map cannot show that, but they are easy to carry. They show the selected features and not usually congested. Maps are large area, especially continents have some distortion of size, space and distance. They are using the different signs and symbols. Maps provide limited information in a limited amount of space. Now, that not only the maps are showing the surface of the earth, some other things are also there, those who show the surface of the earth, and these are the globe, sketch and plans. All of you have seen the globe in your school like that. This type of feature is known as globe. What is about the globe? Globe is the three-dimensional model of the earth. A map is a representation of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. But globe show us the accurate shape of the earth. It is fixed on a stand and so that it can be rotated. Like map, globe has their own advantage and disadvantage. And advantage that it is the most accurate three-dimensional representation of the earth. It shows the distribution of continent and oceans accurately. Lines of latitude and longitudes are marked on it. These are the advantage and disadvantage. Only a part of it we can see from a globe at a glance. All details cannot be marked on it. A globe is difficult to carry around because we cannot fold it. Now the next is sketch. Sketch is a rough drawing showing the relative location of a few chosen features of an area. As it is said, rough drawing that anyone can draw. If a if a friend is coming to your home to meet you and he is coming first time, then what you will do, you can provide him a rough drawing that which are the prominent feature close to your house. Like that, in this no scale is given, only the prominent feature is given. Suppose your house is there at Panchkula Road, close to Panchkula Road, and your friend is coming from the railway station. Then what you will tell him? That from the railway station, take Basant Road straight, and then these things will railway quarters, then a dargah will come. Next to dargah, your house will be there will be a hospital in front of your house and a furniture shop. Your house will be there at the corner. This is known as a sketch. Now the next is a plane. It is a drawing. Show the horizontal section of the small area or a building. It is drawn according to scale. Like this is a plan of a school. Scale is given here 1 centimeter to 8 meter. Now everything is well scaled and things are given. You can find out the measurement of this area and you can tell. Plan, all the things have their own utility on the basis of their purpose, and now this is sufficient for